hair, it's probably not breaking because it's bad hair or because you're not trying hard enough. It's breaking because of a few things that us 4B and 4C hair girls are doing every single week without even realizing it. Guess what? I was doing the same exact thing until I finally fixed it and started retaining the length. You know, if you have 4B or 4C natural hair and you feel like your hair just doesn't grow and it's stuck in a not growing state, mud, plateau, it grows, but it just keeps breaking off, snap, crackle, pop. Yeah, I remember that. This video is for you. Yeah, I have something to share with you all, okay? Because I care. I authentically care about your hair. You know, I used to deal with constant breakage, split ends, and I can never see my hair getting longer, even though it was growing, because you know your hair grows out the scalp, right? At least a half an inch a month. And if you are really using strategies, then you've probably found a growth product to speed it up. You've done all the different methods, the upside down method, the massaging the scalp, the growth oils, the rosemary, the peppermint, the onion juice, and all kinds of stuff to grow your hair. Well, if it's growing, you're trying to add an additional half an inch, you're getting the length, but it keeps breaking off. Okay, you're doing all the right things. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what was causing my hair breakage and what I changed so that my hair could finally start retaining the length, okay? Because remember, your hair was growing, you want to be able to retain the length, all right? So number one, the first mistake, I thought moisture meant just using oil. Just put some oil in your hair, do this and do that. No, you need more moisture for 4B and 4C hair girls. I got a little bit of 4A, but for 4B and 4C girls, you just can't use oil. Oil seals it, okay? Oil can well, let me just say it like this. Oil seals in the moisture, right? What was actually happening is my hair was dry underneath the oil. And so that's why it kept breaking. The oil didn't stay on that long. It sealed it, but it didn't seal nothing. So it was just the hair, that dry hair that was breaking, if that makes any sense to you. I don't know how to explain it, but this is why I know this is like guaranteed to work if you follow this, all right? What I started doing instead was using water. I used some water on my hair. I used proper leave-in conditioner or some type of moisturizer, cream, shea moisture, all kind of, I'm not going to go down a product list because you have your own products that you use. I'm sure at this point in your life, you found the right moisturizer to work for you, right? So that's the first thing that you do. And then you seal it with the oil, all right? That was one change alone. That reduced a lot of breakage, y'all. I'm telling you, if you haven't tried that yet, try it. Get your water bottle. And yeah, I'm not going to go into the steps because that's going to be another video, but I'm just trying to tell you what's causing it. And then I'll show you in the next video, how to do it. All right. So the second mistake was I was touching my hair too much. What happens with us girls, we want to look good. We have all these different types of styles. You have your twist out, you have your braids, you have your updos, you have your wigs, your weaves, your clip-ins, all kind of stuff that we're doing. Always messing with our hair, okay? Getting your hair done a lot, getting it straightened, getting it blown out. I mean, doing the flat twist, doing the stretch outs, especially 4B and 4C hair. They want to be left alone. Just leave us alone. Leave us alone. They just want to sleep. They just want to sleep. And I'm telling y'all, that's exactly how I figured out. And I'm going to talk about this in a little bit, but about how I can tell my hair was growing when I left it alone. When I was wearing the weaves for, I think it was every 3 months, I would get my hair braided. I would braid my own hair, braid it, and then I put a weave, do a sew-in, quick weave underneath the weave. And my hair, but I would moisturize it and so forth. And my hair was really growing. Then I'm like, oh man, my hair got so long because I did a lot to protect it, and I wasn't manipulating my hair a lot. So low manipulation styling. So that means keep your hands out of your hair, keep your hair in a protective style, updos. You already know the different types of protective styles, which I'll talk more about. I think I might have talked about that in one of my videos, but I might hit on that again because I want you to see how important this is. But I would do this for days at a time. That weave for 3 months, that was a protective style. My hair was growing about 1 inch a month. Okay? And I only detangled my hair when it was fully coated with conditioner, not dry. Not all the time though, y'all. I have to admit, there was times where I was breaking because I was in a hurry and feel like dealing with all the hair. So, it would snap, crackle, and pop. All right. And then the third mistake that I did is that I wasn't protecting my ends. And your ends, as we all know, is the oldest part of our hair, right? And it breaks off. Okay. You sequence your hair out, you're not protecting your ends, no satin bonnets, no protection, nothing. I was always just doing whatever. I wasn't really just taking care of my hair like I wanted to. But I started realizing how important it is to sleep on satin pillows and with a satin bonnet. But I would have like satin scarves. And you do it faithfully every night. Do it faithfully. When you commit to something, be consistent. And then keeping your ends tucked in that protective style. Before I go there though, remember, I talked a lot about the split ends and the ends that are splitting up the hair shaft. If you got to cut those ends off, cut them, do the big chop, however you want to do it, or cut the split ends off, okay? And then tuck those ends under, and then put it in a protective style, however you choose to do it, wig, weave, wear your hair out, twist, updos, whatever. Protect your hair. You should care that much about your hair. I know I do. I care about you, and that's why I'm sharing you the secrets. That alone made my hair actually start retaining the length. I finally start seeing my hair, and my hair has grown all the way down to bra strap length. All right. So here's what I do now that completely changed my hair. Right? You listening to me? Are you listening to me? I moisturize my hair with water and leave-in first, some type of cream. I don't have to go into the products that I use, but I will do a product one. I think I might have a product video. We might go back to that one. But then you fill it with an oil, a light oil. All right. Keep those low manipulation styles and protecting my hair at night every time. I stopped doing so much. And that's when I finally just start seeing the length, all right? Hair finally stopped breaking. Your hair is breaking because you're doing too much. I know we want to look good. I know we want to look cute in our outfits and, and our hair looking all made and everything. But leave your hair alone. It's okay. And you will get the length, all right? And I did think another mistake that I had made is that I thought my hair really wasn't growing at all. Because a lot of times when you're used to having shoulder length hair or ear length hair, you're like wondering, man, my hair won't get that long like hers or whatever. And which really you shouldn't be covet, and you shouldn't covet what somebody else has, all right? It's called covetousness according to the biblical scriptures, all right? So don't try to get hair like hers. All right. But I believe that everyone's hair grows. All right. We just don't know how to, us 4B and 4C hair don't know how to retain the length and take care of the hair so it won't break off. All right. So my hair is breaking off and I wasn't seeing any progress. And if you are struggling with the same thing, if anything that I said resonated with you, all right, focus on protecting your length, not just trying to grow your hair faster. Okay, you can do that. As I mentioned, you can do that. There's a little trick to that. But I want you to focus on protecting your length, making sure the ends are healthy, cutting off those ends, and making sure that you're moisturizing. In the next video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to do it so you can copy exactly what I'm doing. And then I want you to comment below and tell me if it's working for you. Or if you have another method that works for you, then comment below. Let others hear. Let this community hear what worked for them, for real. I mean, I know there's a lot of videos out there, but I want you to understand the importance of taking care of your hair so that your hair can grow long, all right? Aren't you tired of all the breakage? You see all these pieces, different sizes all over your sink. It's time to get that length, and I'm going to help you do that. And something else I'm going to tell you, this is Long Hair Care Ministry, where we actually minister to you. So this is your first time visiting our channel. This is Long Hair Care Ministry, where we talk about our hair, the Bible, and Jesus. And if you don't know him, y'all, he's good, okay? I'm going to encourage you to give your life to Jesus Christ today, because he is the only way. He is the truth, and he is the light. All right. And if you haven't read his book yet, I would encourage you to read his book. And guess what? He knows the number of hairs on your head too. He made our hair. God made our hair. So he knows exactly what's going on with your hair. You can pray about your hair. A woman's hair is her glory. All right. So I want you to think about this. I want you to understand, that your hair can grow, and we can help you get there. All right. If you have not yet liked and subscribed to my channel, I would encourage you to do that. All right. And make sure that you click the little bell there. Ding. So that you will not ever miss another video. All right. And then tell somebody about what we're doing. If you know somebody that might benefit from this channel, please share this video with them. All right. Share with them so that we can get this out there. All right. I know there are tons of videos out there, but here at Long Hair Care Ministry, we authentically care about your hair. All right. And I'll be praying for all of you that you will not make your hair your idol, because God said he's a jealous God. He will have nothing before them. Yes, even your hair. So don't spend all your money on hair products, all the other stuff. All right. But anyway, that's another whole topic. All right. Right now, I want to help you stop your hair from breaking. And so that's why I wanted to post this video today. So I hope you enjoyed it. Again, remember to like and subscribe to this channel and share this video to those who you think might benefit. All right. Once again, thanks so much for tuning in to Long Hair Care Ministry. Bye now.